Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini hilong ki khubor baman takasngi. Kakin hon juga senjuk kirang ba snong of border area block 2 ka bahaba pokaran nongtung hima kriams imship kilap yang snobha ya ga jingkon jong menteri rang ba ka jilla ukon rat ki sangma men haga khandai turik unailar ha office tray kam ka secretarian kati ka jingkot jong menteri rang ba ka longban pynbeit yo put usam ha ka wat ka baan nakaliang menteri rang ba ka jilla ukon rat konggal sangma ula pentip ba ka jingakran jing pynbeit pun jong ka wat ba second piece sapteng ka Assam at Meghalaya kan sedang no hadien ka jing rakhi ya ka Independence Day nisngi rakhi lat duit kering ukon rat ki sangma ka jingakran hakilat pathai ku bor hasilong hadien balawai ka jingalang ka kinhon juga senjuk kirang ba snong of border area block 2 ka bahaba pokarat nongtung Uyathu ba ka jingalang ka baar hapdeng ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya on pelong hanong ba Guwahati. Shushu menteri rang ba uyathu ba ka kinhon ki kli nong sinchar nong karat nong tung kilapan pau ya ka jing angnot banne bat ka jilla Meghalaya. Kite ki kli nong sinchar nong bat karat nong tung kila IT shu menteri rang ba ka jilla ya ka dorkhas badon khat pratli kisnong ki ba kwa banne bet bat ka jilla Meghalaya yathu ukonrat ki sangma. Ka sarkar klabu ban pynbeit no ya ka jingya ka japut badai namar kata ngila jam syakmat ban pynbeit ya ki hendriu teli ki jaka hadien ka jingya slok bat ki pat ba ka balamru sya ka jingya soy so skular nginget scam banginla ban pynbeit no saya ki hendriu teli ki jaka badangsa ong ukonran Menteri rangba ulo ongru baka kam hi kadai ka badon kam ban hab ya kran sani bha badon kam ban ya slok ru bat ki briu ne kinhon ba pher ki bayat haku kam Menteri rangba ka jilla uyathu baka sarkar kan thawi ki regional committee barngin sa pentelun syakmat ya ka wat ka baar jong ka jingya kran pynbeit pun haki hendriu teli ki jaka badangsa
Today we had our representatives the Sinjukki Rangba Shnong and other traditional heads who have come from block 2 area and they had expressed concerns about the border dispute in block 2 and they've submitted a memorandum where they have mentioned 18 villages that are there which should be within Meghalaya and they expressed their concerns about the last 50 years on how they have faced large number of challenges and difficulties because of the border dispute that's there in that area. After listening to their concerns, I have informed them that this government is very committed to resolving the border dispute and that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people and the people's will has what has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations and we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time and we have to move forward and we have to allow the process to continue and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time and we have decided that we will be having the first meeting for the phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati and we will be forming the regional committees and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said that it's not a simple process, things are much more complicated and even Karbi Anglong District Council is involved and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion and like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils and more importantly the public in general to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us. I informed to them that development is something that we should all welcome, and that based on the implementation of development schemes or central schemes, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under. So all these matters were discussed, and I'm sure that they have understood all the details, and of course you can hear from them also. And let me assure them and the entire state that this government is committed. As we have moved forward in the 6 areas in the first phase, we are committed to move forward in the next 6 areas also in the second phase.